name. Bad name. Hey, Savina. Hello. There will be some tomfoolery going on. Oh yeah, there will be. Um, first, I want to say, I fucking finally finished the Shady Bot rewrites. It's live already. It's live on production. Not everything works exactly. I did test it on production, which is a good practice, as they told me. Some shit still doesn't work. The Twitch live announcement doesn't work. I'll get that fixed eventually. You can't give people channel points programmatically, which is really fucking stupid. So I had to remove the channel points tier for Discord XP and for like the buying of channel points, etc. It's stupid. I hate it. Twitch should add that. That's about the shady bots. Everything else seems to be working fine. Go have fun with it. It should stop breaking every so often. Thank fucking God. Aside from that, this app that we're gonna be building today. Oh boy, it's a fun one. The idea is, right? I do fencing, right? That's a sport I do, which is shocking. I know. It is insane the fact that I do shopping. Shopping? Sports. The fact that I do any sort of sports is insane, right? I mean, fucking look at me. But, I do fencing. And the thing is, my fencing class has like a couple of people. And we're all on varying different levels of our skill. But the thing is, some of them keep on insisting that they're better than me. And they're not. And so I want to build an app to specifically tell them that they have a fucking skill issue. I want to build an app specifically to prove to them through imperial data, through numbers, that they're bad at everything and they should cry. So that's what we're going to be working on today and for the next couple of streams. The basic idea for this is, I'm going to show you a sketch, by the way, it's not just going to be me talking. Fencing makes sense, probably hard to hit your body with a mat. Yeah, exactly. Hey, yeah, it is. I mean, like, it's just aerodynamics, you see. Most people who are, like, really buff and, like, hot, they're like slowing down because, you know, the wind, as they're moving with their arms, you know, the wind just like stops them. But my fucking aerodynamic arms, they just glide right through, you know what I mean? Hey, hello. Oh, you're watching ad? Boo, give me money. But yeah, so the idea is, right, we have expand this towards not just fencing, but like any competitive game. And I've already had a draft of this before. It sort of works, it sort of doesn't. It's really shit, which is shocking, I know. Redeem spin immediately. I like that. Give me a second, I'm gonna finish explaining stuff, and before we go on to the sketches, I'll do the spin. Spin? So the idea is, right, we have a game. No, we have users, right, which are admins, and they're able to create games. And for each game, it's like a different set of players and a couple of different settings that they can modify. And under each game, there's a couple of rounds that can be happening simultaneous. Your shirt just flexes an arches. Yeah, exactly. By the way, if you want to know what this reads, it's the coffee pasta. Fuck, I don't remember what it's called. Like, I'd like to just interject for a second. What you're referring to as Linux is actually part of the whatever. I don't remember the coffee pasta. But yeah, that's what this says, and an Arch logo, and it's amazing. Anyways, so we have multiple rounds of 1 versus 1, and the admin can control the how the match goes, right? They can start a match, they can end a match, etc. and they can assign, oh, this player just got a point, or this player just got a point, or they just got a draw, etc. And then from there, it will, based on like who, basically based on the order of points and then who won in the end, that will give the other player a certain amount of points. And I'll just use like the ELO formula because that's what it did last time and it seemed to work fine, right? And then basically using ELO, we will match these people. And then in the end, that ELO score would be used to bully, or sorry, did I say bully? No, I meant inform the other classmates that they're shit at everything and that I'm better than them. So that's the plan for today. We're going to be starting to build that with a backend first, and we'll be working on the front end sooner or later. It's exam season, so it's going to be a bit busy, but whenever I do have the time, I'm going to be just chipping away. Anyways, Spin. Oh, I already designed the things. I'm gonna spin. Give me a second. I'm gonna go with it. Fuck, this is way too much fun. I don't understand. Just like men, just buy skirts. Like it's not that hard. It's really fun. Anyways, let's look at some drawings. First of all, if anybody asks, by the way, this is called Excalidraw. This software is Excalidraw. It's a web app. Go use it. It is so fucking good. Oh no, wait, shit, does help not work? Huh? Does help not work? I just died for you? What? Hold on. Maybe the IRC thing hasn't connected? What? The fuck? Uh... Hey, can somebody run a command? You have school tomorrow? Oh, fucking cry. Can somebody run a Twitch command right now? Somebody besides me, that is, because... What the fuck? Why didn't it work for Turnus? What? Okay. That's gonna be an issue. I will debug later. Or not, depending. Anyway, so let me explain the brilliance. Oh wait, Lap, did you not do you not have PronounDB connected to your Twitch? Or is my code just completely fucking broken? Because that's also very possible. Although I think log in onto pronouндb.org if you pronouндb.org. Here, that's where I source the pronouns from. It's actually a really good project. I really like the project. I'm a big fan. Right. Let's explain this. Right. So we this as like a main page, right, for an admin, and an admin can control multiple games. So if they click on a new game, they'll go to the game settings and the game setup, etc. And then if they click on an existing game, they will go into this screen, which will let them manage the game. For game settings, there's not much you can do, right? You just name it. I like using... Is that an unknown character, or am I bad? Or? I've never heard of those pronouns. Ori? I'm sorry. I've never... Can you like ra? Can you explain what you mean? So, do you want to be referred to as O slash free? I like using Nyanya or who's my pronouns. Okay. Okay, sure. It's Japanese first person personal pronoun. Oh shit, okay. I don't know Japanese. Um, okay, nice. There's a lot of them like Watashi, Atashi, or Ora, Boku, etc. Are all common. Nice. Are you Japanese or Japanese speaking, etc.? It seems like such a complex language. I speak Japanese. That's really cool. I don't use pronouns. People just call me. Okay, buddy. Okay. Right. For game settings, right? All that I could come up with is just the game title and the draw mode. Oh yeah, second pronouns. Wait, second person? Am I fucking dumb? What's a second person pronoun? Is second person pronoun the pronoun that you use to refer to yourself, but like not in first? Brain dead. And oh, you. Okay, yeah. I yeah. Whoops. Look, okay, I'm not exactly amazing at grammar or like much things really. Um, where I saw Grammarly today, and it's popping up everywhere, like my signing box and login box. Remove that shit. That's bloat, okay? Grammarly is bloat. Why don't you just know your own grammar, SMH? Come on. Right, as I was explaining before I was so rudely interrupted, mind you. The draw mode is like, sometimes for certain games, if you draw, you want to assign both players a points, and for some games, you want to assign neither player points. So that's what draw mode is. And because I'm in kindergarten and can't be bothered to spell, very based. Honestly though, like, regarding spelling, I don't know if you know this, but my VS Code has an extension to do spell correction, which I am... The context for why I would ever install something like this, wait, hold on, is because I spelled donor like this for a project that I submitted to somebody for money, and that is not a good thing. I, like, throughout the entire project, I spelled it with donor, D-O-N-E-R, so... They weren't too unhappy about that, but like, it rings with a certain tone, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, also, I forgot to mark this as complete. But yeah, I had to install a spell checker after that. It wasn't good. If I don't have spell check on all my blog posts, we'll be like, hey guys, so today we're gonna be talking about, I don't know, all things for real, oh my god. What? I could only find one spelling mistake. I might be stupid. I think that is a likely explanation, to be honest. But yeah, okay, so idea is, right, have a page to control the round, have a page to view round, have a page to view games, have a page to view players, and have a page to view, to edit, create, etc. the games. No, but like for punctuation, strategies that, yeah. Wait, yeah, I don't have anything for punctuation. I'm usually alright at it. On my LibreOffice, which by the way, yeah, I'm so quirky like that. I use LibreOffice. There's a language tool, I think it's called, which checks grammar, but it's not like particularly powerful or amazing at it. It has quite a few flaws. But yeah, that's besides the point. Alright. I have to use Windows at school. Boo! Well, what are they gonna do? Uninstall it? They use Microsoft. Yeah, so does our school. We use Microsoft Teams, but you know you can just use the Electron version? No, dude, fuck, you're not gonna use it in Firefox, just use the Electron version. You can download, if you use Arch, which by the way you should. Bro, it's in beta and MagESL. I've been using it for like the past year or so, but I think the version that I'm using is literally the website embedded into a fucking Electron app. It's kind of shit, but it's mid. Also, sorry. No, don't worry about it. I see bro as gender neutral and very boggers. Same with dude. And like a bunch of other common phrases. Like it's just gender neutral at this point. But yeah, if I don't know if I can figure out the Teams. Yeah, if you just install this shit from, I believe this is an AUR package, you just like have the embedded version of Teams. Yeah, this doesn't tell me much. Fucking hell, 223 bytes. Oh, complex MS Teams, yeah, whatever. I do have Linux. Oh, you dual boot? Nice. I used to dual boot on this laptop, but I needed more storage space. It took me over a year to actually set up the certs. Wait, you mean like a network certificate? Because in my school, that was such a fucking pain in the ass. It took me so long to figure this out. They gave us the network certificates in a TFX, I think it's called. But it's basically like 3 different certificates that are compressed in one thing, and then like password protected. So I had to unzip. I don't think it's an actual zip format. I had to unzip it and then assign each certificate to like a different field manually. It was such a fucking pain in the ass. I had to use like advanced network properties or whatever the fuck. I had to install bloatware. Oh. Okay. While oh my god, what did I do? Okay, hopefully nothing cheap. While Ash, here we go. While Ash is watching ads, whoever isn't watching ads, we can totally discuss world domination without her sorry, I'm so sorry, Ash. Without them knowing, it's fucking hard. Without them knowing, we can plot world dominations and not include them. So come on. We've got, I can see you speaking, I can't hear you. Okay, good. That's good. Good. Okay, so the plan for world domination, and nobody tell them, right? We're gonna storm the capital, right? It's gonna be on January the 6th. We're gonna take orders from the President Donald J. Trump, my president, and we're gonna do a bunch of illegal actions, and it's gonna be really quirky because then most of us will like sort of evade the law, but sort of not, and eventually we'll all claim together that the election was a fraud, and we therefore are gonna overtake the country. Hmm. Okay, yeah. The plan is, we don't include ash because they're just too precious. We can't include them as part of it. We cannot include it. We can't include them as part of the plan because I mean we don't want them to get hurt, right? So everybody else besides Ash, we're gonna go raid the capital on the 6th of January, and yeah, it's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be quite progress, I'd even dare to say. What about me? Oh, don't worry about that. You're back from your ads. Don't worry about it. No. Me speaking about you behind your back? No. I would that no, I would never do such a thing. That'd be crazy. I mean, little I had like a chat with Chat about world domination, specifically dominating America. Like that'd be crazy. No, I would never do such a thing. Come on, so, I'm I'm so silly. I would never do something like that. Anyway, I heard you. No, little me. No, that would be crazy. Raiding, planning like a hostile takeover over the U.S. government? No. Halting proceedings of the Senate? That would be crazy. But that'd be insane. But yeah, project structure. Back, you forgot I was from the UK, right? No, I know, dude. Nobody in my chat is from the US. I'm not. At least I hope. Well, okay. Besides, like everybody in Posh, nobody in here is from the US. And that's the thing. We target Europe because the only way that we can take over the US government is by having non-US citizens do it, because they'll never suspect us. They'll just never suspect us. I'm gonna cry. Please tell me what you're saying. Oh, yeah, no, we were not planning world domination out here, starting with the U.S. government. Actually, so I know there's no like big economists in chat, but like hear me out, right? We're gonna do an economics lesson right now. It's gonna be like crazy, right? Because I'm gonna explain to you how we can do this, right? It's gonna be crazy. So we have supply and demand, right? And this is gonna be the supply and demand of a currency, right? For example, the US dollar, right? So what happens if I buy an infinite amount of the US dollar? Well, the supply for the supply would skyrocket, it would shift to infinity, right? Oh, that's not the supply. The supply would shift to infinity, right? But let's say that this has infinitely increased, right? It means that the price for the US dollar will infinitely decrease all the way to zero. So by buying an infinite amount of the US dollar, there'll be the US dollar will collapse. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's really simple. Did you manage to force an ad break only onto you? No, I did not. No. There's periodic ads that happen. I think it sets like every hour. Yeah, I set it to be like every hour or so. and I can't pick specific people to target, unfortunately. Yeah, I know. There's an yeah, the ad breaks happen every hour. Yeah, everybody got an ad break, except the people who subscribed. Subscribers don't view the ads. Also, this part still like it's still part of the VOD. So, anyways, um, right, project structure. Um, my idea for the project structure is quite simple, really. I want to do the same thing as I did with the forum slash suggestions page, where basically, say, hold on, there is a house in New Orleans, where I want to have a sub package for the API, which will be all of the like actual functions. So when we create new games, we call a function from the API sub package, and then from there, we can use that in the router sub package, which will be done to host all of the like actual HTTP stuff or WebSocket stuff, etc. Right? And then we can have a WebSocket sub package for managing rooms, etc. But the main part is that there's going to be a separate sub package for the API, which will be all the functions that control the actual thing. So there, like, at no point should there be a router which has significant logic in it, right? Maybe there will be like a middleware for authentication, but there shouldn't be anything that's like, oh, we're gonna implement pagination specifically here. So that should never be done inside of there. Right. Just okay. Cool CBNCs. Right. So let's get cracking, shall we? So oh my God, hello, Code with Luke. Thank you for the raid so much. Oh my God, I think that is the biggest raid I've had. Hello. Let me. Oh my God. Let me see. What did you? Sorry. Hello, raiders as well. So you're writing Go, so I had to say, so yes, I am writing Go. I am solving all of life's problems with Go, in fact. What were you doing in your stream? Designing patterns, Go, TypeScript, MongoDB, nice. MongoDB, I used to use MongoDB quite a lot when I used to do JavaScript mainly. I've been using SQL mostly now. Writing an inventory system in Go. Oh, interesting. Wait, for like a game? Or like an inventory system as in like an actual inventory management system? Like a professional thing? Stock management, yeah. That's very cool. I like it. I like it. Stock management, very poggers. Let me give an introduction. I'm sorry, I don't think I've been rated many times. Let me do a quick introduction. I'm a full stack developer that does like a bunch of different stuff on stream. Last time I streamed, I was finishing up the Discord / Twitch bot, which it's actually running on this stream right now. Oh shit, also, I forgot. Anybody here before the raid? Let me shout out Coding with Luke. Go check them out. Very cool. I will do the spiel in a minute. Give me a second. This will explain everything. So, yeah, full stack dev. I do a bunch of different stuff on like on stream. Last time I was doing the Twitch/Discord bot, which had a bunch of different stuff. This stream, I'm starting a new project where I'm building an application to specifically tell some of my classmates that they have a skill issue in certain games, and then numerically prove that using a ELO system with like rounds and stuff like that. So basically, I'm trying to build an app to bully them with reason. Also, thank you for the follow, Coding with Luke, the one who rated as well. Thank you very much. And Tim B, thank you for the follow as well. That was very cool. You're still streaming. Oh yeah, also I wanted to say, you're still streaming, I think. Right. Ash, give me a second. Right on to you. Give me a second. I did redeem this right a second. Also, yes, channel points can be used for both the theme that you just saw, and of course the most expensive price is this thing right here. This absolute fucking beauty. Alright. Alright. So like, you can see an app to tell me I'm bad at League. Bad at League, maybe, because League is more of a, like, well, no, you can have 1v1s. I'm targeting specifically games which can have a 1v1. So something like chess, something like fencing, which is the stuff that I'm building it for myself. And League 1v1s, definitely, yeah. Yeah. So if you want to do League 1v1s, fucking go for it. That'd be really cool. But yeah, the project is literally in its birth. It's just started. Let's see, I had a previous draft of this project, which sort of worked, sort of not. But it's good to be called. Yeah, exactly. That's the thing, right? In their hearts, my classmates know they're bad. Like, I know that they're not stupid. Deep in their hearts, they must know that they have a skill issue, right? But like, when you see the numbers and the real proof, that's when you truly understand it. But yeah. Actually, I drew this like right before the stream started as well. There is a frontend plan, which if you're a frontend dev or full stack web dev, etc., I'm going to be using Svelte for this, but that's going to be not this stream. So tune in for the next time if you want to see Svelte being made. But yeah, let's get started on the project. So the first thing that you do with any project is you steal code from in the previous project that you made. And yes, I could make this into a module, but you know, where will be the fun in that? Yeah. If I'm making something, then I want to be reusing code by copy-pasting it, not by installing it as an actual package, okay? Come on, it's obvious. So, let's get a bunch of the stuff. So right now I'm just installing all of the Postgres stuff. Config and initializer that needs to be done. So, so the config and the initializer don't actually need to be done in here because it wouldn't have many sub packages, because the reason I had to have an initializer in the Shady bot is because it just has so many fucking modules. Which, by the way, I don't think I ever mentioned this today, but I've actually just uploaded the Shady bot. Oh, fuck, I haven't logged in here. I've just uploaded the Shady bot onto GitHub. So if you want to run the beautiful piece of code that it is, it's on GitHub. It's under my profile. It's public. Shadiest Goats. Go start whatever, fork it, do it. But because if you look at the amount of folders that are here, most of these are sub-packages. So because of that, I needed to set up an initializer so that there's like dependency management, and so that I don't initialize like, I don't know, I don't initialize the Twitch stuff before I initialize the Discord stuff. I don't know, right? But yes, theoretically, I could just write it all manually, but I hate manual work so much, and I would rather spend 30 hours working on an initializer. That's an exaggeration. It took me 3 hours. I'd rather spend 3 hours writing an initializer with dependency management rather than spending 2 minutes to figure out how to put this in the correct order, okay? But why so many subdirectories? Because they're all different subpackages. They all target different things. So, for example, I wouldn't want to have variables or functions that are, from like role assignments in the same thing as pronouns, right? They're like completely separate things, so I don't want them to like pollute. And it's just nicer to develop. Like, oh, I'm going to be searching a bunch of shit, and the IntelliSense is just going to be like a massive pain in the ass, but this is actually like nicer. Oh, also, of course, for this project, I'm sorry, I just have to say this. I made my own .conf or .ini parser for the specific reason because I wanted to have my .ini be a bit quirky, and I have a struct for each different section. And then besides that, I have some required variables, and I have some variables which have a consequence for not loading up or for not setting. And I wanted to use struct tags for that. Doing stuff in JS, I mean, when I'm doing stuff in JS, I don't have that much. Yeah, I know. Usually, when I worked with JavaScript, I didn't have yeah, no, of course, I didn't have like so many different files or whatever, but also this thing has like a lot of shit and a lot of it is like really long and stupid and annoying, and I don't want that to be like all polluted, I don't want to be spending 30 minutes trying to either remember the function name that I gave something or like a variable name, or trying to remember, oh shit, is this like relevant to this package, or is this actually relevant to the automatic roles thing? I don't want to be figuring that shit out every time that I'm writing something. Just trust me, it's a bit nicer to do. It's nicer to separate them into different or files or whatever. Right. Of course, for this project, you don't have as much config. All that you have config for this is the database URL and the... I think that's it, pretty much. Like, you don't have anything else, right? You just have database URL, and I think that's pretty much it. Specifically because everything else is going to be stored and configured for each user, so that's going to be stored on a database. So you're not going to be setting that when you're starting the application. Okay, cool. Let's just do that. So we don't need a config submodule. We just need to read a env var. So let's just do that then. os.getInv from Let's see. Getting the DB URI, and so first of all, let's clear that up from any white space. So let's trim space. If DB URI is equal to none, we're gonna log. Oh, also there should be like debug stuff. The way that I usually handle debug is that I have a file and I have the std outs that I print to, but then there's also I have my logging module also sends stuff to Discord if you set it that way. Also, thank you so much for the follow, hot dog or G hot dog. How's it go? Yep, of course. Take care of yourself, drink any water, relax, etc. Decompress. Or as, fuck, I forgot what their name is. But as one streamer said, de-stream yourself. Yeah, have a good day. Also, can somebody, did the overlay play? Like, was there an overlay at the top saying that G hot dog followed? Because I'm not. I need sleep in 30 minutes. Ooh. Yeah, okay, good. Stuff changed and I don't want it to be broken. Like a certain bot that I just fixed. Right. Whoa. Oh, sorry. Hey Peter, how you doing? The fucking the fucking lamp just fell. That's kind of fun. Log.fatal, we're gonna have DB URI is required. Boom. Is that, yeah, that's the good log. So we need to do go.env.load the .env file. Bro, didn't even thank me. Oh my god, thank you for the 2-month prime. Shit, that's, no, I just didn't see it. Thanks so much for the 2-month prime. That's quite nice, thank you. Yeah, you have now gotten yourself the permission to continue to bully me. Right, let's do the initdb. Oh, come on. db.init. Oh. Let's import stuff, very poggers. Also, I hate to say this, but you should try trpc. What the fuck is trpc? Move fast and break nothing. End-to-end type-safe APIs made simple. Thank you, FBC, for the follow. Or the T3 stack by Theo. I hate him, but that stack is... What is... Okay. What? Create T3 app. Best way to create a full stack type safe Next.js app. But where's... I spelled... Where's... but spelled... Experience the full power of TypeScript, blah 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 blah, boring. Do they actually... Okay, actually, let me show you what I'm looking at, because... No, not Leave the Wolf. Where's my... Firefox. Oh, so I'm using two separate browsers for streaming and general use. Let's look at trpc.io. Right. Let's see. Automatic type safety, Snappy DX. I know Svelte is very good, but this is the next level shit with Vercel supporting it all the way. But this, come on, where's, dude, this literally uses a fucking, JavaScript backend, or TypeScript even, yucky. Am I insane? What is the... Oh, okay, so one of them is server, one of them is client. Okay, that cleans stuff up. Trust me, yucky, but in practice, godly. You can make the responses and then not have WebSort or VSC eating shit over any types. Okay, but like, I'm offended now. Yeah, I know. I saw it has Svelte support in here. But yeah, but that is. I think this just creates type safety for APIs, right? Hello, happy Monday, Captain Coder. Hello. So wait, okay. Yeah, so it just creates type safety. So why don't you just have a fucking wrapper? Like, if you have a wrapper around your API, you don't need the thing. Hey, no problem, man. Right? I mean, okay, granted, it is... Okay, granted, it is a bit of it does... Are y'all still dating? Wait, what? How do you get pronouns? Go on to... I wanna be it's PronounDB, but PronounDB doesn't support custom pronouns. Cry about it. L ratio, get ratioed. Am I insane? What does BBG stand for? Oh, okay, hold on. I'm a bit silly. Wait, Ash, who are you asking who's still dating? What? Yeah, BBG, I was literally trying to Google this. Yeah, PronounDB hella gay in a good way, unless you're referring to JDP hella gay. Well, no, but that's the thing, right? PronounDB is literally hella gay. That's literally the whole point of it. Well, granted, it's more to remove confusion or whatever. But let's be honest, the vast majority of people who use them are, trans people. So, literally hella gay. Yeah, okay. Look, wrapping an API is a bit of a pain in the ass, true. But like, I don't want to be fucking writing APIs in JavaScript. That's yucky, okay? That is yucky and disgusting. I want to have problems, and I want to have slightly faster shit at the expense of all of my mental health. And I want to write my shit and go, okay? Remake PronounDB right now. Why didn't I get Twitch ping? Do you have the Twitch ping role? Also, it could be that they don't ping you if it's in thingies. After all, I guess I re-added it. I was joking, by the way. Hey, you're joking. Oh, I didn't even see that. No, that is fair though. Look, they mean Node.js just so that you can write the world's best, most predictable language ever made. Just so you can write in the best. Oh, right. Yeah. No. Everybody here, huge fan of like raw JavaScript. Yeah. Oh yeah. Also, by classmates, I'm referring to people who are in the same fencing group that I'm in. I don't mean like my actual classmates. Although some of them do have skill issues. If all you do is tend to be, there's no fucking reason to use Go. Just saying, I'm using Go for C node because of the okay, for everything else. Oh my second. Yeah, but like, look at the syntax. Well, I'm a customer, so I have no idea what you're saying, but I'll just yes. Will Emily ever happen? Most likely not. Unless I figure out an effective way to have shit like to match users. Otherwise, the Go syntax to type safety. Yeah, fucking tell me about it. Fencing group my cis segregated sex offender set. What the fuck are you on about? Yeah. Rights, DB Yuri. I want to emphasize the fact that after an hour of stream, all we've done is copy code from an old project. Katie fully relies on the any type, don't worry. No, dear lord. No, fuck that. Fuck that. The panic invalid memory address is long. Fuck. Fuck that. Oh my god. No, Jesus Christ. Honestly, the only times that I use any is for like packages. And even then I try to avoid that as much as possible. Dear, like, Jesus Christ. At least like generic, you know? Let me scare you, baby girl. Oh, dear lord. Not the internal pointer error. Holy shit. At least not a seg fault. Imagine doing C lines. That's horrible. Fuck that. Dude, at least internal pointer errors. At least internal pointer errors are like actually debuggable. The worst one is the stack. Fuck, I forgot the error where it's the call stack is too deep because it doesn't have 64. It'll work on one machine, but it doesn't work on another because it doesn't have 64 gigabytes. What the fuck are you on about? What? Do you mean like? Yeah, no, fuck them, yeah. I have no conscience. But I guess the Electron... yeah, Mako would just like hating on Electron, which is pretty based. New logger prints, log, new logger, file, logs. GitHubUnwrapped.com. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, let's... Fuck me, man. GitHub, Unwrapped, yeah. Fine. I'm gonna do this fully publicly. And I'm gonna get bullied by this website, and I know I'm gonna get bullied. Please, please, Jesus Christ, be gentle. Let's go all of Goggy's net and learn then went as great as you can imagine. Download your videos in MP4. What the fuck? Boo, where's... Oh, okay, at least goes in the top. At least goes in the top. I skip lunch usually? Yeah, fucking tell me about it. I just don't eat lunch. Oh, this fucking thing. The one of the people from the Go team fucking scammed me. Why's your at such low FPS? Good question. I don't know. Shit happens. It was made by Remotion.dev. I've never heard of Remotion.dev, but good on them. Make videos programmatically. Ah, okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I like it. Once you laugh, do keyboard search all private repos. I'm not gonna. Okay, well, all of these, yeah, if you don't have source code for the code, they just randomly stop working, no issue. Dude, okay, guys. I've never used remotion. I've never had like a use case for it. Like, I don't know. Okay, buddy. Okay. I've never had a use case for it. I just generally not. I tried to respond to them. Yeah. I just, yeah. Twitch replies are such a broken mess. They create a thread if you reply to a reply, which is stupid as fuck, bro. Just reply to a reply. Don't fucking create a thread. My god, that's so annoying. Oh god. That was... Peter is just like fucking narcissistic. Let's go. Pretty based. Also, my eyes are going out. Wow, that's crazy. Oh boy, we're gonna have a fun time with some errors. Let's go. Fucking love those. Package API. Bar. Error. Nobody. Error. Bar. Nobody was given. Your work, I'm talking to my baby. Nobody, fine. I still have -1 in context on the audio as oh god. Right. Let's see. So, let's do some validation. Point on draw, ID needs to, oh fuck. Of course. Oh right, also get init, GitHub doc. Sorry, I was about to start writing something there. Why? Just why? Right. Get a mango secrets. Yes, it's really important not to open these two files because they do have all of like the tokens and stuff. I don't have an extension to block them out. Which, okay, I know that's like risking it, but you know, the way I operate, I've said this earlier today, is I operate on high risk, low reward, okay? The higher the risk, the lower the reward, the more likely I'm gonna do it. Have you seen Motion Canvas? I have not. What's this? Is this something that's just easier with a mouse? Write animation TypeScript in your favorite ID. Use a web-based editor to sync them with audio. Wait, what? Can you explain to me what that is? Casinos must love you. Oh yeah. Speaking of casinos, by the way. Speaking of casinos. On a completely unrelated note. Let me go into the casino right here, the casino that's right here in my Discord server, which by the way you can do !Discord to get into. I think I was just testing stuff here. You can gamble. You know, like the real thing that you've really been asking for is just how do I gamble, you know, while remaining on Discord? You know, how do I, you know, bully my friend on a channel while also having the time of your life by playing slots? Well, this is the solution for you. You can just go like slots, and then like you can win big if you like. It does get rate limited, so this thing does happen sometimes, but you know how it is. Oh no, I've lost, but can I trade channel coins for the casino money? No. No. I wanted to do it, but I need to play GTA, yeah, tell me about it. I wanted to do the channel point to Discord XP thing, but the no, that'd be sponsored gambling, which I'm completely against. Sponsored gambling, not very polished. Forget TOS now. I wanted to add the channel points to Discord XP thing, but the thing is, it's a pain in the ass. You have to connect your Discord account to your Twitch account, which is, I mean, it's not hard, but it's just a bit of a pain. And then after that, after that it's easy, but you can't convert from Discord XP to channel points, which is incredibly fucking annoying. So I just don't. Oh, right. Also, yeah. I had to quickly remove your commands. I might have forgotten it. Whoops, daisy. But don't worry, Peter. Don't worry about it. If you go into channel points, I actually finally got a reward to work. The custom Twitch command, for 4,000 channel points, it finally fucking works. This will add an automatic command that will be executable just by you, and you can like send messages and stuff. It's really cool. Did it take me like an extra 2 hours to figure that out? Maybe. I don't know. Give me it for free. Literally can't. So I can't wait 4 streams from now. Bro, how many channel points are you at? Actually, speaking of which, I wanted to 808. Sheesh. I should probably do the math for this, by the way. It's usually you got about 200 power. Fuck, bro. I should readjust the prices. I think 20 hours is a bit much, but I'll do it after stream. Make it 1K? Bruh, 5 hours? Fuck no, that's way too cheap. 2K at least. Anyways, let's get this stuff going. So, new game. DB dots. Actually, no. We need to verify that the game is actually valid first. So you need to have at least 2 players in here. You need to have an owner. But yeah. Anyways, bye bye. I'll be back. Yeah, that's fair. See ya. So, let's do this. Error, no body, error, not enough players. You need at least 3 players to create game. Okay. At least 2 players. Sorry. Okay. What else? Bad body. No owner. Whoa! Hello. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted subs, Captain Coder. That's really kind of you and generous. That is very nice of you. Alright. See ya. Good luck to your class and happy teaching. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for stopping by. Oh my god, it's still gonna go. Yep. I'll catch you the next time you stream, which is gonna be Wednesday, I think, right? Have a beautiful stream. Yeah. Thanks. The thing is still going. Yep. Easy. Nice. You need an owner to create a game. So, if gOwner is equal to none, let's return a nil and then error no owner. If the length of g.players or g.new players, let's see if the length of no, this one would just have new players because old players literally don't exist. So the length of g.new players is not equal to nil. Hey, hello, green. Sorry, I literally cannot read. Hello, green 10. How you doing? Let's see if I can zoom in here just a little bit so that I can see a bit easier. Oh wait, hold on, this is just in fucking settings, right? Am I... Chat appearance? Yeah, Jesus Christ, I was struggling. For no reason. There's already a zoom option that's built into Twitch. Oh, speaking of which, I have done that. Very nice. So, if the length of the g.new players is not equal to, is below 2, let's return nil and error no, not enough players. Very poggers. Cool. Otherwise, I think that's it, right? Let's do that. Okay. For player range over g.new players. Oh, also, I don't think I mentioned this before, but the reason why I have players and new... Oh, fuck. Wait a second, something's off. I need to figure out how to make this a string array. So my idea is, is when you create a new, or when you edit a game, when you patch a game, you will have players, which is a string array, and then new players, which will be a player object array. And the new players will be used to create new players with different names, different initial ELOs, etc. And the player array is used to remove like previous players. It's an override to remove to remove all players. Also, speaking of which, I had okay. Right. Players. Yeah, but we'll figure out later. Who knows? So g.new players is going to be p player. Right. So also I did a bit of design for this before, where I was trying to plan out what kind of SQL setup I can have. And the thing I came up with is having players be in a separate table, which are indexed by a player ID, the game that they're connected to, the name and the ELO they have. And the idea is that the like a player is not necessarily a user account, or actually not necessarily, it just isn't a user account. Okay. But yeah. So that's going to be that. So let's see. P.new players. Let us insert these. Actually, let's create these tables in the first place because I just didn't. I just literally forgot to do that. Let's do that right now. SQL design. Most just fun part of everybody's life. Right. So table games. And also, yes, I don't have an ORM or ODM just because a certain somebody told me that I should have it. That certain somebody being Peter or Pvox. And I am doing this specifically out of spite. Also, some people in the Go Discord server really hated them, and I'm a sheep, and I have no opinions of my own, so I'm going to be taking their opinion. So ID is going to be a, oh my fucking god, I forgot, text, there we go. And that's going to be the primary key, and boom. Happy names. The title text, not null, just can't be null. Title point draw is going to be a boolean. Oh my god. Is it boolean or bool? I think boolean. In full. I think. Okay, boolean, and then again default false. Wait, am I? No, okay. For a second I thought that you had to put semicolons there, but I'm insane, so don't trust the crazy one. The crazy lady, don't trust her. Owner text. There we go. We can have this be a reference, or fuck. How do you do that again? Is it references? References. What's the shorthand for foreign key? Foreign key inline. So, if anybody knows, please do send a message. It's references something, I think. Yeah, references students. Yeah. Cool. References the users and then the ID. Cool. For that, we need to have a Also, we should rename this to be the games and the admins. Or the, yeah. I don't like using users because that's too close to user, and there's way too high of a chance that I'll use a reserved keyword like user. And that's not really progress, and it's a massive pain in the ass to debug, so try to avoid doing that usually. Okay, no, it's only 10. Exhausted. Probably the 4 a.m.er. Right. Games. Players. Shit. Right, so admin has to have the ID, obviously, which is going to be the primary key. Next up, we're going to have the game, the name, which is going to be a text. Email, password. Okay, I was thinking about how to do authentication, and I mean, I don't know if I want to just use an email password. Sounds like a bit of the dumb way, but honestly, I don't mind it too much. I mean, then just fucking store a token in the cookies of the frontend or whatever, and fucking just cry about it. I think it'll be fine if I just use username password. I can also try to do bullshit OAuth with Discord or Twitch or like any other, like maybe log in with Google, but even then, Google, I feel like the login with Google is a bit of a pain in the ass, and I don't want to do it. So maybe just username, email. I'll have to set up emails now, right? Email as a text and password. Obviously, it's not going to be a plain text password. Obviously, it's going to be salted, hashed, etc. But still, just rubs me the wrong way. Okay. The users, admins, tables. SQL setup games. Creating the games table. Cool. And that must be done beforehand because this thing references this thing. Cool. Let's also do. Oh. What is the thing? Cascade on deletes. PostgreSQL cascade on deletes. I don't remember what the on delete cascade. There we go. That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is really poggers. If a record in the parent table is deleted, then the corresponding record in the child will be automatically deleted. Very poggers. On delete cascade. I think that's the syntax. I'm desperately hoping that's the syntax, and the person's not just dumb. On cascade deletes. Okay, I'm gonna check just to make sure. Because it could be this person's just completely batshit crazy. I mean, who knows? How do I cascade delete with SQL Server? No, fuck your SQL. I'm looking for Postgres. Who the fuck uses raw SQL? Dude, imagine. Oh, probably like a batshit, just completely bonkers person. More about drop delete cascade. Is it just actually cascade? No. On delete cascade. Okay, it's on delete cascade. On cascade. On delete cascade. There we go. So that should delete all of the games if a user is deleted. And then if we make a little bit of a quirky dirky, if we make a if we make players be a reference to the game as well, all of the players will be deleted if we delete the game or the the admins. Right. Let's do that. Players ID primary key vary powers. Name text not null. Very cool. Also game. Are you a man or a girl? I'm a girl. Here. You can do pronouns here. There we go. Girl. Okay, so let's go. Game is going to be a text, which is going to be a references games with ID, and on delete we cascade. There we go. So that should do that, and then finally we have the ELO, which is going to be an integer. I do need to review the PostgreSQL types. I don't remember if just explicitly integer is supported, or I have to just say numeric or some shit. Numeric types integer. Small int. Yeah, okay. Very cool. Very cool. Integer. Very based. Do this live on stream right now. Guided track.com programs this thing. Let me just review what this is. Oh dear lord. Demographics. Holy fuck. Do I want to do this on stream? Let me just quickly, look through the... oh my god. Yeah, I doubt I want to do that on stream. Oh, fuck me, man. Some of these questions are actually interesting. Oh, fuck it, fine. I'm gonna do it. Please, can you DM me and let me know if there's actually something that's later on in the thing that I should know about that I should not put on stream? Can you do that right now? Because I may just genuinely do the quiz. Okay, I'm gonna hope that this means that there is nothing bad on it. I've gone through what? Like, uh, okay, let's take a look. My body is ready, Jesus Christ. No, no, not yet. You're more sexually attracted to people who appear visually. Huh? What the? Oh, okay, wait, hold on. I haven't read the answers. Uh, I don't fucking know. Yeah. You're more attracted to people whose gender identify underscore match their genitals. Oh, yeah, let's go. Well, I say equal, but like, I don't fucking know. Who knows? I'm sorry, all monogamous. Yeah, and oh, okay, good. Uh, let's go with other. Even though, nope, I haven't been an adult yet. How many people have we got? Ah. Someone else did not want. What? Have you had sexual experience with someone else who did not want? I'm sorry, did I sexually assault somebody? No. Let's go moderately left. Socially speaking, moderately left. Okay, I say moderately. Hey, Crocodile, how tall am I? Can you give me a good estimate? Hey. Can you pretty please give me a good estimate? I genuinely don't know. You see me so often. Tell me. I'm gonna go with 180 or I don't know how to tell you. I don't fucking know. Am I close enough to 180? Or like closer to like 178 or 175 or something? Okay, cool. I'm gonna go with 178. Your weight is closest to, I think, closest to 50 kilograms. I'm very light. Oh, great. Let's say, I mean, think, I don't fucking know, dude. Jupiter, semi, 5 I don't fucking, I never, I don't fucking know. I'm sorry, who keeps tracks of this shit, yeah? Let's go with the equal value, 13 close enough, probably, I don't fucking know. How important was external adherence to the religion? For example, praying, church attendance. Oh, to me, did your culture? Oh, okay. My grandma was really religious, and she still is really religious. Very wacko. But I haven't like. I mean, I was forced to go to church until I was like, what, 5, 6, 7 maybe? But my parents didn't really force it on me. So. How important was adherence to the religion? For example, feeling guilty prior to prayer? Yeah, not at all. That, like, just didn't happen. How did people feel about traditional gender roles? Oh yeah. Um. Wait, what? Traditional gender role violations, like women being childless, bosses, and men. How did people feel? Yeah, I'd say this. Go faster, muted. Oh, okay, fine, chief. Is your child? Yeah, dude, it's Russia. Like most people there are fucking old conservative garbage. Like, fuck that. How do people feel about the visible gender bending? Oh, dude, fuck no. I grew up thinking that transgender people and gender bending is a fucking mental health issue because my grandmother saw it on the news once and convinced me that it was bad and actually just mentally sick. Family was let's say upper middle to upper class. I'd probably say upper middle class. I mean, dude, I don't fucking know. We don't have mansions, but also like Dubai. I'd say probably upper class, honestly. How clean was your child at home? It was more clean. It was ridiculous. What agency responsibility placed on you? Was it you, back up, put yourself to individualism and burnout, or was yeah, it was on me. It was moderately on me. Like, from the ages of 0 to 14, how often were you spanked? I rarely. Um, yeah, rarely. It happened a couple of times. Dad. The thing that happened with this spanking, I don't fucking remember. Probably like moderately painful or slightly painful. I don't fucking know. Tried to whip me across the table once. That's all I remember. Were you at least semi-regular abuse as a child? I'd probably say no. Prisoner what? Daddy issues. Where's daddy issues? Father present, mother present. Yeah, there we go. Daddy issues. Let's go. Fucking love daddy issues. Did you experience sexual assault in your childhood? No. How many siblings did you grow up with? One. You were the third born technically, but more like second born. I think second born. Your siblings are mostly female. I am relaxed most of the time. Fuck no. Usually work on something. As soon as there's other feelings. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I deserve more respect than I get. Yeah, not from these assholes. I don't have much power over those around me. Yeah, shit, I should have said neither agree or disagree on the previous one. Can you go back? No? Okay, that's annoying. I didn't have very much power over those around me. Yeah, people around me are like people, you know? I shirk what the fuck does shirk mean? I avoid or neglect my duties? Oh, fuck yeah, let's go. I have excellent ideas. Yeah, my ideas are the fucking best. Holy shit. I am high powered, driven, and successful. Um, I feel concerned for others, yeah. I am the life of the party. Fuck no, dude. I was at a party on Friday and I was doing fucking math revision. Fuck that. I'm not the life of the party. Yeah, dude. I need to feel in control. Yeah, dude. Have you experienced sexual harassment? No. I'm quite around strangers. Yeah. I like order. What? Yes. These questions are shit. Hey, dad. Speaking of dad and daddy issues. Hello. Understanding abstract ideas. Disagree. I like abstract ideas. Then I'm losing. Aren't we all? I find the of the supernatural to be plausible. Disagree. What's your attachment style? What the fuck? Dude, I don't fucking know. This kid has daddy issues? Yeah, tell me about it. Do you have any of the following? ADHD, anorexia, autism, bipolar 1-2, body dysphoria. Dysmorphia? Yeah, sure, I guess. More like gender, but same difference. So, wow, it's crazy. Compared to other. Okay, I'll be silent because I have it too. What, gender dysphoria? Compared to other people of the same gender and age range, you are. Oh, dude, fuck yeah. Oh my fucking god, there's 3 more sections. Fuck that. Okay. Is this gonna be a really long section? Fuck that. I'm not. No. Shoot. Bad suggestion. I wasted 15 minutes and it is all your fault, Crocodile. L range. College? The fuck are you on about? Dad, did you forget? Did you forget my age again? Literally before college. That was content? Bruh, that was not fucking content. It was boring. You fucking watch somebody just like answer questions. It's like watching somebody do a fucking BuzzFeed quiz. Bruh. Yeah, sorry, I forgot you were still in kindergarten. Exactly, that's my point. That was not content, and also, I'm not gonna fucking publish all my sexual preferences onto Twitch. Okay, fine. You know what? You know what? Sure. You know what? Fine. If this is gonna restart me again, by the way, if, like from the start, I'm not doing it. But if it's okay, fine. Eagerness or wait, okay. So, scenarios you find erotic tend to involve you feeling desire. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. When I find shit erotic, yeah, I want it. Yeah, man. I think that's most people. Irritation or annoyance. No, that sounds like the opposite of a fun time. Ambivalent or disinterest. I feel like you're not. I feel like that's the opposite of what it's asking about. Numbness or disinterest. Safety or warmth. Fuck yeah. Wait, is this? Sure, buddy. Shyness or nervous. Where I'm feeling. Shock or shock. Oh no. Yeah, let's just fucking let's go. Grief or regret. Fuck that. Hate or disdain. The power of smugness. Holy shit. This is just asking me if I'm like fuck, what do you call them? Fuck, I forgot the term. It starts in sadist. There we go. Let's see. of the following, which one is the most erotic do you feel? Eagerness or desire, safety or warmth? Okay, wait, let's just define this for a second. I should not just Google that one word. Which one is the most erotic for you to feel? Dude, I don't fucking know. What a shit question. Well, hopefully DuckDuckGo has this. Boo. Yo, calculator.net? Fuck yeah, let's go. 2. That was the wrong answer. So the other person. Yeah, I want the other person to just really fucking hate me, I have to be honest. And actually just like be completely disinterested. Where can I tick that I want the other person to be a fucking top? Yeah, hate or just saying, that's pretty based. What is really happening? Oh, somebody told me to do a quiz about... Oh, it doesn't have the title. The Big Kink Survey in the Guided Track website. So, that's what I'm doing. People, creatures, holy shit. Disinterests, cons, yeah, I mean, I don't fucking know. I don't fucking... Is it a kink review stream, huh? Apparently. Oh my god. Okay. Holy shit, the screensaver just dead. Yeah, apparently. People usually pay me for this shit, come on. Why am I getting mentions? Wait, a new BDSM test. That's the one. Your sexual interests feel... yeah, like a little narrow, I guess. How often do you watch or read pornographic or content? Fuck yeah. Multiple times a day. Let's fucking go. Once a week? Yeah, dude. I have a fucking specific day for this shit. Yeah, let's go. I have a specific fucking day for this. It's the Sunday 5 p.m. Why do you think I never stream on Sunday 5 p.m.? It's the specified date. That's the one. It's not because I'm busy and have other things to do. It's because that's the one time that is set out. Wait, I thought this was what asked in the previous question. Kid, you're a beast. Don't fucking say that. Don't fucking say that in this context. Or don't fucking say that, you might as well. Sorry, I just had to. Standard economy you prefer tends to be... Oh, fuck yeah. Books? Yeah, that's... Yeah. Books, just the knowledge, fuck yeah. Dude, when I read a programming book, which I do, trust me, and like they tell me all about the internal pointer errors, oh my golly gee, I just go insane. Do you even read books? Anyways. I mean, I sometimes... Hey, actually... I have a book collection, which bit of a distraction. Book collection, the Hunger but mainly Death games. Oh yeah, the art chart, of course. Shit. That's my lamp, just like fucking falling. Holy shit. Ah, that's probably not good. But yeah, we have the Hunger, but mostly Death games. Flatlands. It's hard to see. By the way, I haven't started this one. This is a really cool concept. Flatland. Everything in this world is flat, and I think you're being told this in a perspective of a square, I think. And it tells you about like the society that they set up. It's really cool. I have Persepolis with his school book, Nobody Cares, and I have June as well. And out of all of these, I have started one. Great, great to know. Back to the quiz. Okay, cool. Oh, that's fun. Okay. Oh right. Do you watch Is Violent? I have to say, I don't like gore. Or gore. They're too tall. Who? The books? What the fuck are you on about? Me? I'm not. At what age did you begin watching porn or reading erotic content at least semi-regularly? 6 years old, that's the one. Dude, I genuinely don't know. I'm gonna put the middle safe answer, but how can a book be tall? Have you not seen books? Hey, Dad, have you ever seen a book in real life? You know how, like, they vary in sizes? Yeah. So books can be tall. Also, my lighting is getting fucked. Ah! Kid, you're taller? Yeah, tell me about it. I have to say, I am indeed taller than most books. By something. I come to be right, even if I don't normally find it erotic. Yeah, I'm fucking desperate, dude. I'm ashamed or embarrassed about at least some of what arouses me. Yeah, sure, I guess. What arouses me feels therapeutic or... no. You're doing what I like, yeah. Bit selfish. I like to fun or experimented with all things that are around me. Fuck no. Dude, where's my cute femboy boyfriend? No! Or my cute trans girlfriend. Or my, other people. Or my manly man. Or my daddy. Have you been paid for porn or erotic content? Okay, this is hold on. Question. I'm gonna. Does who needs friends when you tell me about it? Okay, question. For this one, I have a question. Does receiving the maid costume count? Because I would not consider it, but like, joke, love gays. Oh, dude, come on, let's go. We're all violently homophobic on here, right? Like, super, just mega, just oof. You know, I'm gonna say no on this one, to avoid getting sued, or to avoid something, not getting sued. You have all or straight. What? Okay, I'm sorry. I have? When? Who? And can they give me more money? I like money. Speaking of money, by the way, guys, did you know you can go to donate? Did you know you can like just give me money on this website? It's on donate.shadygo.eu, and you can like just send me money and get like very little reward. But like you can just give me money. Did you know that? That's amazing. I, I've been paid for something. Yeah, yeah. I've been paid for multiple things, but not porn. I've not been paid for porn. I only do it for free. Um, hashtag ad no. Um, erotic content such as what? I've. Are you referring to the maid costume? I, I mean, I guess, but also like, uh, 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 seeing Lucy sell feed pics. Don't, don't fucking tell him. I'm gonna have another fucking 30-minute, gonna have another fucking 30-minute session with the school therapist telling me, hey, did you know that pedophiles exist? Like, yeah, dude, I make money off of them. In general, on average, the upper months of consent in my preferred. Dude, I want fucking consent, okay? I like consent. Which, totally dominant. Oh my god. Let's say switch because I'm too embarrassed to say sub. Let's say moderately sub. Complete fucking bottom, let's be honest. I mean, like, let's be honest. Like, 89 out of 100 dominant, by the way, on yours? Or, oh shit, on my... Ew, bottoms? Yeah, okay, tell me about it. Actually, let me check, because I should have checked this before, but I did the BDSM test again. Let me have it in there. BDSM stuff, new... I have my new BDSM songs. Hold on, I wanna not show that BDSMtest.org / the ID. Let's see. Yeah, this is what my high school did to me. At the beginning of last year, I had 89% dominance. Now, like a couple of days ago, that shit dropped down to 68% dom. Like, I'm just saying. Alright, let's continue with this shit. I'm being aroused by being dominant in sexual interactions. I mean, sure, I guess. We're all going submissive? Yeah, sure. I tend to find people who have been clearly reached somewhere, but not yet adults. Yeah. Well, it's a lie. It's true for when it's like young ages, but people my age, like, yeah, dude. Yeah. But if it's like a 13-year-old, fuck no, dude. Ugh. You know, the fucking ugly. And, but I'm assuming it doesn't mean people my age, so. In scenarios you find erotic, you tend to identify with or imagine being, somewhat once, but. Wait, what the? Oh, somewhat all the roles at once, let's go. I'm fucking everyone. And I find myself erotic when... Wait, sorry. I find it erotic when two people of the opposite gender to meet and sexually interact with each other. Sure. You... Moderately, in general, even those scenarios are... I don't fucking know. Let's go with equal. I find oral sex and middle Sure. Whoa! Holy shit! If I'm not watching the stream, oh yeah, so do I. Jesus. So my balls are like purple, I think. I'm like really not sure what color to call them at this point, but they've swollen us down. They hurt really fucking bad. This right after I tried to give myself a scrotum piercing at home. What the fuck? Oh, that's amazing. I find the thought of existing in non-sexual situations as a biological female to be erotic. Yeah. Well, oh, in non-sexual. Oh, fuck me. It's asking about the fucking. There's a specific thing about this that the asshole conservative republics use against trans people, where it's like, oh, it's just a sex kink. Ooh. What do I do, guys? I'm scared. Oh, right. Okay, so what you do, right? You take a spoon and you just like, you just like dig it out. You have. I don't. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't have a spoon on me. Which, I usually have a spoon on me, but like not today. But you just scoop it out. Common mistake. So I thought, right. I'm gonna do middle of this because I fucking hate this question. I thought masturbating alone as a biological female to be erotic. Dude, I just want to be a girl. Not just as this. It's not like a sex thing. It's just like, hey, please. I'm gonna go middle on this again. Of existing and non-sexual state of biological male to be. It's not like. I'm gonna go with to be again moderate. I don't like. It's asking if. I don't know if it's trying to like balance this shit, but like, I don't give a shit which hole it is. It's called being pan. It tried very hard. Could you stop being aroused by something you're into? Holy shit! This is literally 1984. Okay, this is fucking 1984. But. I guess, as though you induce new fetishes into yourself through the use of porn or erotic content. Yeah, I mean, just being exposed to certain things. Like, I probably, if I didn't know what a femboy was, I mean, I'd probably not be into one, so. Yeah, sorry for my current. No, but still similar to pre-existing. New and totally different to my friends. I don't. Yeah, I guess. D's femmes. Your preferred breast size and partners. Dude, these are such like. Give me a fucking diagram, okay? Let's go with medium. I don't fucking know. Or small, medium. Who cares? Who gives a shit? Same thing. Which of the do you find significantly erotic? Oh, sorry. I thought that said snoring. Fucking snoring. Let's just go with fucking all of them. I don't care. I'm tired. I haven't coded in a while. I'm tired. I don't give a shit. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. 1. It's the last fucking. I'm creating Ligma engine. You can help me with that. Hey, What's ligma? Can you care to elaborate? What is ligma? Can you explain to me what ligma is? Oh my god, how can I have fallen for that? It's actually very difficult, so I don't find insane. Dude, where do you even find this shit? Because I know for a fact you don't come up with this shit yourself. Where do you, like, how and why, and for what reason? Uh, oh fuck yeah, body mods, let's go. Fucking cyber enhancements. Wait, check all the following categories have been a thing. Oh yeah, fucking cyber enhancement. Dude, I want I want my partner to have fucking cyber implants, okay? I want my partner to be either a robot or this one person, but we can look, if